In this brief video, I aim to demonstrate the correct method for assembling the PDF pattern sheets. On the first page of the pattern there is a 10 by 10 centimeters and a 3 by 3 inches square to help you check if the print scale is correct. Remember to print the PDF pattern in full size, this means actual size, without scaling. There is also a scale in centimeters on the bottom of each sheet. On the bottom of each printed page you will find marks that will help you to arrange the sheets in the correct order. On the bottom left you can see the row and the grid number. For example, grid 1,1 means it's the first page in the first row and 1,2 is for the second page in the same row. On the center bottom you will see the number of the page and a total number of all the pages in this pattern. To unite the pattern sheets, cut the one with the scissors symbol along the dotted line and align it to the sheet before it along the line. Then tape the sheets together. I usually use a painter's tape to join the pages because I can see through it and write on it. You can also fold the paper along the line with the scissors symbol or precisely place it along the lines without cutting. Let's move now to the second row. As you see, the first page is marked as 2,1. On the first page of the second row you will find a line with the scissors symbol on the top of the page. Cut it or fold it along the line with the scissors symbol and align it to the page above. Then take the next page, it's marked as 2,2. On the next sheets you will have two lines with scissors, one on the left side and one on the top. Align the paper sheet to the one above and a one before it along the lines. Then tape the sheets together. If you decide not to cut or fold the paper, try to be very precise. Follow the same procedures to align and unify the remaining sheets of the sewing pattern.